Good afternoon. This is Chem Bonding tutorial question number 8 on hydrogen bonding. We shall first recap on what are the conditions that hydrogen bond will form. First, you need to have a hydrogen atom that is bonded next to a NO or F. So, for example, I use O. This hydrogen will have a positive partial charge, and the oxygen next to it will have a negative partial charge. So this hydrogen is able to form a hydrogen bond. With who? With another atom. Okay, this is another set of NO or F. So I use N as an example. Okay, the N from another atom, for example, ammonia. So this N will have a lone pair where it can form a hydrogen bond with the delta plus H. So these are the two criteria for forming hydrogen bond. So let's just recap. The H must be bonded next to a N, O or F before it can form hydrogen bond. And the hydrogen bond that is going to form with, it needs to be an atom that is either N, O or F. So only these three atoms, because they are very electronegative, so they are the ones that can form hydrogen bond with your hydrogen. Okay, so now let's look at this question. First molecule, silicon H3F. Okay, is it able to form hydrogen bond within itself? The middle column here talks about between its molecule, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The last column here talks about forming hydrogen bond with water. Okay, so there are two different scenarios. One is between the molecules. The other one is with water molecules. Okay, so let's first draw the structure. Si, F, and 3H. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's consider the H. It contains H. Can this H form hydrogen bonding? Are they bonded next to NO or F? The answer is no. Therefore, this molecule is not able to form hydrogen bonding within itself. That means it cannot form hydrogen bonding with another SiFH3 molecule. It's not able to, because all the H are not able to form hydrogen bonding. Okay, so you can't. Then can this molecule form hydrogen bond with water? Okay, let's try. SiFH3. Can this fluorine form hydrogen bond with water? The answer is yes, because it has a lone pair and is one of the NO or F, which can form hydrogen bond with the H, right, from water. So it can form hydrogen bond with water. Okay, then after that we need to label it. We need to put the delta plus and the delta minus on the O next to the H. Okay, the lone pair is shown already, and the last thing to show is the labeling of the hydrogen bond. Okay, and this is the diagram to draw to illustrate that SiH3F can form hydrogen bonding with water. Okay, let's try the second molecule, HCO2H. Inorganic solvent just means that it's not ionized, it's still molecular. So this is still a molecule, HCOOH. Can it form hydrogen bond within itself, between its own molecule? The answer is yes, because this H can form hydrogen bonding. How about this one? this H cannot. So only this H that is bonded next to the O can form hydrogen bonding. Okay, so you can form hydrogen bonding with an O. For example, here with an O from another molecule of H, COOH, and so on. So there can be many hydrogen bonds formed within the between the molecules of the methanolic acid. So here, yes, you can. Hydrogen is bonded to NO or F, so the hydrogen can form hydrogen bonding. Okay, so can you form hydrogen bonding with water molecule? Of course, the answer is yes. Right, so I can either draw it, the hydrogen bond from the oxygen to the H of water, or from the H of water to the from the H of the methanolic acid to the O of water. So these are two possible ways to illustrate hydrogen bonding between the methanolic acid and water. Okay, the rest of the things are the same, showing the delta plus on the H that forms hydrogen bond and the delta minus on the atoms that's next to the H, showing lone pair and the labeling. Okay, if in an assessment you forgot where to put your delta plus, delta minus, it's okay to label more. In fact, students would also label this delta minus on the atom, on the NO or F that forms the hydrogen bond with the H. Okay, we will not mark you down. Okay, but these two minimally needs to be shown. Okay, the next molecule, F2O. Okay, do not mix up F2O with FO2, which we discussed in question 7, that is not able to form. Okay, F2O has a structure that's quite similar to H2O. Okay, F2O, can it form hydrogen bonding between the F2O molecules? The answer is no, because it doesn't even have H at all, right? Can you form hydrogen bond with water? And the answer is yes, because either the O or the F can form hydrogen bond with the H from water. Okay, the last molecule that we're going to consider, CH3NH2. Can it form hydrogen bonding within itself? Okay, let's draw it out. NH2. There's a lone pair on N. Can it form? Yes, it can, because it has H that's bonded next to an N, and we also have an N that's a lone pair. Okay, so it can form hydrogen bonding. Okay, can it form hydrogen bonding with water? Yes, certainly. Hydrogen bonding can be from the N to the H of water, or from the H of the N to the O of water. Okay, so I hope you have a better understanding of what are the criteria to form hydrogen bonding, and also what to draw in a diagram to show hydrogen bonding. Remember the three things. First, you need to show the delta plus, delta minus. Number 2, the lone pair. And number 3, the labeling.